When a tooth or a set of teeth are lost due to gum disease, decay, or an accident, they can be replaced by removable dentures, fixed dentures, or dental implants. A dental implant feels and looks like your own lost tooth. Your dentist inserts a special metal post or a framework made from a metal like titanium beneath the gums. This implant fuses to the jawbone just like the roots of your teeth. The replacement tooth is then fitted onto the implant. This type of replacement is very secure and stable and is capable of accepting all chewing forces. The philosophy of implants is to get secure and stable replacement without involving the neighboring healthy teeth. Implants are one of the latest gifts of modern dentistry to mankind. To know more about implants, ask your dentist.